This is Bangladesh, a land where the sun rises over golden fields and the rivers carry stories thousands of years old. Born from the blood of martyrs, our nation stands proud, free, and full of life. From the spirit of 1971 to the dreams of a new generation, we are a people of resilience, hospitality, and endless hope. Our heart beats in the rhythm of ball songs, boat races, and the azan echoing at dusk. Nature embraced us with the world's longest sea beach, the mighty Sundarbans, and green hills that whisper peace. Our soul is rooted in the soil, the smile of a child, and the sound of rain on. Today, Bangladesh moves forward, powered by dreams, technology, and unity. We are 170 million hearts beating as one, proud, peaceful, unstoppable. Visual, national flag flying high. This is Bangladesh, our story, our pride.